Hi, welcome to my channel. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated on latest videos. So today we will make some French toast, but sugar-free. So diabetic people can also have it as a perfect snack with tea or coffee. But get on with it. First of all, let's gather the ingredients. We will need 4 slices of bread cut in half, and then 1 egg and half cup of milk with a fruit jam. And make sure to find one with no added sugar if you are diabetic. Otherwise, you can just go on with sugar and sugary jam. And in the end, we need some butter to cook the toast in. First of all, let's make the batter by mixing milk sweetener and egg together by beating it with a fork or a whisk until it gets foamy texture. Now heat the pan and brush some butter on it. Then soak the bread in the batter from both sides for a few seconds and then cook it on low flame until it gets golden. Now spread the fruit jam on the toast with a butter knife, and that's it. You can go ahead and enjoy these sweet toasts with your favorite coffee or tea. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at HungryGorilla9. We will be back with more delectable, yummy recipes in the next video. See you later.